When a 20-year-old person meditates, it gives me a lot of joy. I'm so happy to have Karisha with us today. She's a beautiful soul and an amazing person. Thank you so much, Karisha, for joining us.
Thank you. And I'm really happy to be here.
Before we begin, can you share with all of us since when have you been meditating?
I think it's been about 8 months or so since I've been meditating, and it sometimes it goes on and off, but more or less I've been doing it as regularly as I can.
Very nice. Since last 8 months.
Yeah.
And what made you feel that you should start meditating?
So I suffer from PCOS, and I had been struggling with depression and anxiety a lot, and overall my life was not where I wanted it to be, because when you are struggling with something like depression and anxiety, it takes a toll on your, not just your mental health but also your physical health, your will to work, and your everyday life. It becomes a huge factor that interferes in your life. So I had tried out a lot of things. I had tried out therapists and everything, and it was just not working enough, because it was not working fast enough, because there's so much I want to do with my life, and I was not getting there fast enough. So my dad has been a client, and he met you, and he told me that you have meditation classes, and then I took a trial and I tried one class, and that was the first time in months that I had smiled, like truly smiled, and which is why I was very eager to join, and it has been working wonders.
No, I'm so glad. In fact, I've been observing you since last 8-9 months, since the day you have started meditating, and I've seen great changes in you. So now, since 8-9 months you've been meditating, how are you doing health-wise in terms of your PCOD, in terms of your periods pain, in terms of your mood, in terms of your anxiety, overthinking?
I think it has helped me amazingly, like more than I could have imagined, because like even on the months that I meditate regularly, my period is much better. It goes much smoother. Like usually I have to take about 10, 11 painkillers within the span of 3 to 4 days, and it becomes really painful, and I'm just crying throughout, because there's so much pain that I cannot bear. And but every time I meditate, I think the pain, it lessens to a great extent. The number of painkillers I take also lessens, and in terms of mood and everything, it's been so much better. Like, and anxiety, it actually regulated my anxiety, because what happened when you meditate, the breath and everything that we do, it makes my emotions, the lower emotions, show up and release from my body. So once that gets released, my brain just calms down. So then I stop like overthinking, and I stop being so skittish, and it brings a lot of peace all over. So I don't have to obsess about every little thing. So I think that improves not just my mood but my life in general, because my outside circumstances won't change.
Yeah.
As you said, it's all within me. So even when my circumstances don't change, I can still cope with it in a much better way. I can be happier, and I can feel more joy.
I think this is very, very important learning for everyone, because unknowingly we give our remote control to so many persons situation outside of us. And I remember after a couple of months, you told me that now you're not reacting to people
Yeah.
around you, even if outside has not changed much, but from within you feel much, much better. So health-wise, you're doing very, very fine. There's overthinking has gone drastically down, anxiety has gone drastically down. What is your one message to all the viewers who are listening today? Because you are 20 years old, and that is something that I really like, because so many youngsters today are suffering overthinking, who are in fear, regret, anger. And what is the one message or couple of messages that you want to give to all the viewers that can inspire them to start meditating?
I think the one message that I would want to give is that when life is so stressful all around you, outside of your head, then why not take a chance, try meditating, and actually see if it helps you bring some peace to your life. Because I can assure you, it will improve your life drastically. The minute your mind starts to calm down, you will be more productive, you'll be more efficient, you'll be able to concentrate on what really matters. I think that is why every youngster should start meditating.
You know, a 20-year-old person with the help of meditation is doing brilliant when it comes to her mood, her health. And if she can do it at the age of 20, I'm sure all of us can do that. Thank you so much once again for being a part.
Nice to